Let's watch the production process of custom tarpaulins. The process begins with cutting the plastic into custom sizes, using precision equipment, ensuring accurate dimensions tailored to specific requirements. Next, 2 plastic sheets are heat sealed to form a larger, durable, and seamless surface. Then, ropes are securely integrated into the design to enhance functionality and ensure easy fastening. After that, plastic eyelets are installed along the edges for secure fastening. Finally, the finished tarpaulins are carefully folded, securely packed, and labeled with product details for efficient handling and shipment.